Hiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
You're a law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
Do you think po yung early announcement for presidency dito sa incoming election, is this primarily focused sa kanyang political survival for this impeachment trial?
In unison yung assessment ng mga sikat na political scientists sa Pilipinas tungkol din sa early announcement ng VP running for the presidency sa 2028. Ang common basa na napapanood at narinig natin ay ito ay mas strategy to deflect yung impending impeachment into a narrative that will give more defense on the part of the vice president and actually use it. Tignan mo hindi lang ito depensa, kundi opensa rin. Para gamitin ito mismo bilang opensa sa potensyal na gagamit ng issue ng impeachment. 'Di ba, depensa ka ron depensa ron ng VP Pero matindi rin yung nag-isip no? Magiging opensa siya in the sense na magkakaroon ng mas leverage o ng diin yung narrative ng political persecution, di ba? Ay kaya yan i-impeach kasi tatakbo. So, yan. So, jiu-jitsu no? Using the force of your enemy against your enemy.
Star Wars form. Para sabi nyo nga, nasa pa rin yung to the election kasi nag-announce siya too early for presidency. Do you think this is a viable and a common political strategy? Ayan, nawala si Kainaro. Ayun. Before anything else, i-hide ko muna si Kainaro. Ayusin lang po natin ang kanyang internet connection. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Isa-separate ko po yung topic na yon into one podcast. Meron po akong kausap na magbibigay po ng opinion niya doon at I think may materials, mayroon na po ako materials. 2 or 3 episodes po yun kasi there were uh, opinions ng iba't ibang legal luminaries po na nakuha ko din po yung konting materials from also yung live interview ng mga EJK victims sa Netherlands at also pag-uusapan din po natin yung mga political strategy naman po paano ito magiging benefit sa mga Duterte or magiging disadvantage sa mga opposition. So marami pag-uusapan po doon. Handa po kayo. Humanda kayo this week.